Hello everyone, today we are going to look at how you can use ChatGPT's agent to do work on your behalf. So basically it's a relatively new feature of ChatGPT. You will get that in the paid version only. As of now, it's only available in the paid version, either you have Plus or any other version. So basically you need to log in and click on this, and here you'll see agent mode. Just click on the agent mode, and then you can ask the agent to do work on your behalf, basically to do anything. Go to any website, log in into any page, apply for jobs for you, make some document for you, or reply to your emails, or maybe add something to your calendar. Anything that you can do on a you can do manually on with a website or online, so it can do it for you on your behalf. So today I'm going to, as an example, I'm going to ask it to make me a presentation using my Google Slides account, and see. Let's see what it does. So I might skip some of the video because it's gonna take some time. The first time it might ask you to log in using your password. You might need to confirm it on your PC or your mobile, and next time it won't. So this is the final presentation we got. So it took about 1 hour to make this presentation. It is not that impressive. The fonts are small. It is little off. The images are, the formatting is a little off. So, but anyways, this is all done by the agent. You don't have to do anything. This is agent will do it for you. It is basically automated. You got a free assistant to work for you. You can also work in parallel with the agent. That is this video is just to show what agent can do. You can write a better prompt to make agent work better for you. This was just an example. Thank you for watching.